my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. But your drip got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love. Then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be unboxing my Boxy Charm base box for the month of March. And I have my little box right here. It is super small and super cute. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxy Charm base box for the month of March, then just keep on watching. So I'm opening it up, and this is the first things that I see. Okay, so just like premium, the theme is lucky. Are you feeling lucky? I'm not feeling so lucky. I feel like I've been getting super good boxes and I feel like it's about to come to an end, but I don't know. We don't know that yet, honey. So yeah, that is the theme. So let's begin. So the first product is from 111 Skin, and this is the Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. You want to know how much this costs? Do you want to know how much this costs, Blake? So this retails for $140. I don't know why. So this says the contour gel is a peptide-packed treatment gel specifically developed to focus on deep-set lines and wrinkles due to a loss of elasticity around the eyes and lips. I'm thinking I could contour with this. Obviously, this sounds more like a skincare product. So, like, the packaging is nice. It's like a matte velvety type of box. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and just because I have so much skincare open right now, I'm probably not going to open this. It'll go in my skincare drawer. So the next product that I received in my Boxy Charm was my choice item, and it is from Too Faced. This is the Damn Girl Mascara. This retails for $26. And I did get a sample of this in Ipsy, I believe, a long time ago, and I loved it. So when I saw this was a choice, I was like, yes, I need you back in my life, baby girl. So this is what the packaging looks like. Really cool. It looks like some type of crystal that you get from like Superman's hometown or whatever. And I'm not going to open it because I know there's like a 6-month... My son's eating crackers in the background. I know there's like a 6-month expiration date once you open a mascara. So I'm going to save this bad boy for when I run through the ones that I have open now. So the next product is from Maven Beauty. I love their quads. So this is the Maven Beauty Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. This retails for $22, and I did use it in the tutorial that I filmed doing this look, and it's good. And just for demonstration purposes, this is what the bottle looks like, and I'm gonna spray a little bit more. The mist on this is pretty nice and even. So it feels really nice and hydrating on the skin, and the scent is quite pleasant in my opinion. Some might not like it, but I do. I don't mind, and I love the packaging. So next is a product from Cab Beauty or Cab Cosmetics. This is a hydrating lip oil, and it retails for $20. I will say I like the packaging, the holographicness to it. I have mine in the shade Juicy Melon. Ooh! And it's like a nice purple translucent type of color. Again, I have so many lip oils and lip balms and lip sleeping mask open that I'm going to save this in my skincare drawer as a backup and use it when the time comes. But this color does look really nice. Everyone that I have seen unbox their base box received either a blue one or a red one that's translucent, and I got the purple one, and I don't mind because I like melon flavored scented stuff anyways. And last but not least is the $1 Billion Brows Clear Brow Gel. This retails for $18. It says this flake-free formula sets in seconds with a gentle hold to keep your eyebrows in place and on point. And I'm not mad at it. I can always use a brow gel because I do my eyebrows literally every day. Even if I don't do my makeup, my brows need to be on my face so I could look like a human and not an alien. So this is what it looks like. Pretty decent size. I didn't set my brows today, so let's try this. Holy wand. Most brow gels are like not even half the size. So It smells like freaking hairspray. Ooh, but I like the way it feels. Kind of feels really cooling on the brows. Like, do you see the difference? Oh, love it. I like it. Even though it smells like hairspray in a tube. So that is everything that I received in my box charm. Again, this is just an unboxing, not really a try on except for the setting spray. But overall, I'm pleased with what I received. So I will leave the full price of the box right here on the screen on top of my black curtain here. So that is it for this video. That is everything I received in my boxy charm. If I had to rate this box out of 10, I would give it like an 8.5. Everything is pretty decent. I'm gonna use everything in this box. The only thing is that one skin or 111 skin, whatever contouring gel, I feel like that's overpriced. Like, the majority of that stuff feels really nice on the skin and pampering yourself and luxurious, but does it really work? Does it really work? Do you really work? Is the question. So, with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, hit that share button, turn your post notifications on, and yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night. Staying safe, staying blessed, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
Can
you play that again?
We've been through the 305